I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install video of this 24-inch 4x6 lace closure wig from REMYFORTE. I'm going to link it in the description box. This company actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. Let's open it up. Ooh, this box looks really pretty. Hold on, let me show you all. This little print on this box looks really cutesy. Let me show you. So here it is. The brand is REMYFORTE. Super cute, cute. Okay. We're going to open it. We're doing this together, you guys. Okay. So this is an auburn wig. You can see like the reddishness of it. I love a good red. I haven't had like burgundy, reddish, auburn in a while, you guys. Okay. Ooh, it's a body wave wig. Let's see. On here it does say it's a 4x6 wig. So let's go ahead and open this up, and you see the 24 inches. Okay. Oh, this is like super red. Okay, I'm loving this. Very, very red. I'm glad I wore black because you can really see the contrast of this hair and my shirt. Let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, so it does come with an elastic band. So if you have a smaller head, you can make this fitted. And you could wear this wig glueless with this elastic band. So I'm gonna show you all in a second. Here are the little notches you will normally connect the elastic band. So let me show you. So like right here. Okay, there it is. Bam, there's the notch where you put it in. And then you just connect it to the other side. Yeah, this thing is gonna be snug, you guys. But I'm going to spray a little lace tint here on this lace. So it is a 4x6 closure wig. So this is how much parting space you get. You get a lot going backwards, so you can do a nice long middle part. Like, I know I love a good long middle part, side part. I like my parts to be as big as possible. But yeah, you get this. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it with a little lace tint to make it closer to my skin tone. And then we're gonna pop this wig on and see what it's looking like. Of course, with this being a pre-colored wig, you do not need to bleach the knots at all, you guys. So do not worry about that. Okay, I'm gonna put this wig on. 1 second. Ooh, this wig is super snug. It's a very snug wig. Oh my goodness, this is super red. Okay, I think we should do like a little side part with this wig. Like, oh, that's kind of cute. Oh, this is actually a really good length. Let me actually shift this wig over because I think I want a nice little side part. So the lace is pretty thin and easy to work with. Like, it's already looking pretty invisible, the lace, like you can barely see it. And I did not glue this wig on yet at all, you guys. Like, there it is. There it is. Let me put this back on. But I'm gonna do like a little side part with this wig today, I think. I think that would be really fun. Okay. So I'm going to kind of shape this wig to how I want it to be. So let's hit it with a little slick stick to get the shape right and get it molded into the side part I want it to be. Ooh, I gotta be careful. I already burnt my forehead yesterday with my hot comb, so I gotta be careful. So let's add a little baby hair. Cause with the side part, I love a good like little baby hair moment. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this. That looks good, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna blow dry it to make sure it's like stuck in this place, this little baby hair I just created. So yeah, I actually think I could use like a little more baby hair. I want it to come further to the middle of my forehead a little bit. So just a little more baby hair, like that much. cute, cute, cute. Okay, it's coming together already. Now I see it. Now I see the vision. Now it's coming together, you guys. Okay, and one thing I find super important with colored wigs is to add like a little makeup into the part to make it just pop and really be a little more apparent. So let's add a little makeup. We're gonna go in with a little concealer in our part. Especially with me, because I don't wear wig caps, so I need a little makeup to make it like really look a little more like a realistic part. Lastly, mind you, I still haven't glued this wig down at all. I'm just going to pop a few curls into this wig to like really make it give and eat, you guys. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so my curling wand should be hot enough by now, so we are going to go ahead and pop some curls in this hair really quickly and see what we get. So this way we can really see how this hair curls and if it does hold curls. So let's see. Okay. Ooh, that is cute. Very cutesy, cutesy. Cute. Okay. Let's go ahead and try to finish this really quickly. Oh, I look kind of cute with auburn hair. Like, okay, it's kind of eating. I like it. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, guys. So that is the last curl I had to skip through because I knew it was going to take a little minute. But let's go ahead and rake these out a little bit and see what we're working with. Oh, it looks so cute. The little bang is giving. Do this. Little bang is super cutesy. And I do really like the way the baby hair ended up laying. Like, it looks really nice. Okay, let me scoot back so y'all can see what's going on. And yeah, this is the finished look. It's still not glued down. You do not need to glue this wig down at all. I just really, as you all saw, I just slapped this thing on and kind of played with it a little bit to make it just eat the way I wanted it to eat. But it is looking cute. This color is really nice. It's like a burgundy reddish color, but of course it's auburn, but this is a really nice color. Like, okay. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.